To make this a quick tutorial, I'm just going to go over how to basically use your new sales funnel template. Now, originally we just had the standard version of the sales funnel template. This is version 2. In version 2, it basically has an upsell page included if you are offering high level as a part of your program. And a major difference about this particular funnel template is that a vast majority of these like colors and some of the elements are connected to custom values. Now, when you first make your purchase, you're going to get an email. It's going to give you 2 links. One of the links is going to be for a snapshot. You want to go ahead and click on the snapshot link first. And then once you add your snapshot to your high-level account, you want to make sure that you're in the correct sub-account. And then you need to go and make sure that you have all the different elements there. You want to go into your settings within that sub-account, go to custom values, and make sure that you see these custom values there. You want to go to your automation section, go to workflows, and make sure you have this website updater workflow. You need to also go to your forms and make sure that you have this website update form available, right? Great. Now, just so you kind of understand like what's going on and how it works, what we have done is made it so that you can update all of these colors with the custom value. Just so you know what that looks like, again. For example, background dark. This is the key for the custom value, and it is associated with this hex color code of black, right? And that is covering these areas like that, or in the footer here. And just so you can kind of see what that looks like, when you click here, we're going to actually go into the color, click the color, and then it's going to give you an option to update. Click update, and you'll see that in there, instead of an actual hex code, you have custom values background dark. And what the system does is the system takes the hex code that is in that section and replaces this with that, right? Now, an easier way to update it that is included with your template is that you can just use this form. You do not have to integrate this form anywhere in order to use the form. You can literally click preview, and then you can go in and make the changes here on the form. And once you press submit, it will reflect on your site, right? Very important part of this is that if there is an element that you don't want to change, like if you want the text to stay black and then you want the lighter text or the white text to stay white, do not put anything in those spaces. So only put a different color or hex code where you want to make a change. You can also paste the links for your logos. Now, the primary logo that I have here is associated with the one that says logo light. So you would just put the link for your logo in logo light if you want to change it. You can put the dark one or the light one, but you can also just associate it. But the one that's currently being used is just image, logo image, link light. Now, the last thing, I'm just going to show you how to get that image logo link if you're not familiar. Don't want to do it here. We'll go here. So in order to get the link for that particular element, what you're going to do is you want to go to your sidebar here and you want to click media storage. If you already have a logo, you'll be able to just click on it and I'll show you how to get the link. But if you don't, you want to upload that logo here. And then once you've done that, click the 3 dots, click get link. And it's going to copy that link, and then you want to go back into your settings, go to your custom values, if that's how you're going to do it. And then you can just click on the 3 dots here and replace that link. Or you can go here and you can just paste it in and it'll make the change for you after you press submit, right? Now, just a quick demonstration. We're going to change, what are we going to change? We're going to change this color just so you can see how it works. We're going to use the form. Let me just go and pick a color real quick. Actually, so we're going to change that. We're going to make that primary color the secondary color. So I'm just going to copy this here. Very important, you want to make sure that you copy the entire code, including the pound sign or the hash, to make sure that, it works. Go here to the form. We're not actually changing that, so I'm going to delete it. But we're going to change our primary color. So go to primary color, paste. I'm going to click submit changes. Now, when I go here to this, we're just going to refresh it and you'll see it went ahead and changed all those main elements to that light green color. And you'll see that throughout, right? Yeah, all the things that are attached is going to go ahead and make that change for you. Very simple, very straightforward, actually very cool. It also works with the logo. I don't think I need to demonstrate, but that's basically it. If you have any questions or concerns, you can reach out to me by replying to the email where you got your order at, or just emailing at admin@joycraft.com.